Creating a BioLink with TappyLinks can be super fun and really easy. So we're going to start right over here with Create QR Code. Click on that, then you have the option of choosing an existing template that you can edit and alter in any way you want, or to start with a blank canvas. For the sake of this video tutorial, we're going to do a template. So from here, let's go ahead and click on this white pattern template. It's going to create it, and then we're going to get to start editing it and playing with it. So much fun. Here you can change the name of it. We're just going to call it Test. Okay, then next up here in the upper right. Now from here we have these already created blocks. You also have all these blocks here that you can add to your page. Add them wherever you want. You can drag the blocks around, put them in whatever order. You can see a preview over here on the right. So I'll start with the image, and this image is actually our logo here. From here you can change the image, and you can set the URL that it will go to if they click on the image. You can add text that'll show up under the logo in the box there, and then you can even add a file that will be downloaded when they click on the image. This section here allows changing the colors of any part of the block. You can save this to see what it's going to look like as a preview, or we can close that when we're done, and that just closes it back to this box. With custom code, we can come in here and change whatever we want, including adding colors, centering, anything you want to do using HTML. If you're not familiar with HTML, no worries, there is no need to use it. It can add a little extra creativity though. Links, of course, link blocks are going to create all your different links, and once you're in those, everything is editable. You can add an icon to it if you'd like. All of these icons are already there to use. If we go down and hit save here, we'll see that pop up, so now we've added the icon there. In the future, we're going to be making it to where you can add your own icon, so this will be expanding. You can set a background type. It's either a color or gradient or no background at all. And that is the background of the actual button itself. From there, you can change the icon size, you can do the margins, padding, radius, etc. You can add a border, you can change the fonts in any way you want. When we're done, we're just going to hit save and close again, and that will close us back to there. See the change to that icon on the link block? Of course, all of your social links can be added too. Just add the URLs and then change the colors that you want for them. And then down here is the settings for your icon, so you can add all those to make sure that your image is showing up in the tabs when somebody opens it. You can also set all the tiles that will show up in the app stores, etc. Down near the bottom is QR code language, desktop customization, and some other things on here, including a pop-up form if you'd like. All of that is editable. Once you're done and are happy with your design, then you come right up here and click on this QR code, and now you can edit the QR code itself as well. So you can change your fill color, which will change the fill of that, and we can even change these to gradients and say, let's pick 5 different colors. You can make those any way you want, play with the gradients of it, etc., or you can even make it an image. Download an image and that'll make it fill the cell. The fill area will now be your image. We can adjust the external eye color, which is the external part of the eye, or the internal part of the eye, which is this part here. You can mess with backgrounds, change the background of the image, or even disable the background, which will make it a transparent PNG image when you download it. Select the module that you like, and then we can play with the finders and the finder dots as well. You can make shapes of the entire QR code, which is really neat. So we can make our QR code any shape that is pre-installed here. We can select the frame color, which would be just the outside frame. We can add a logo to the center of the QR code and then move that to where we want as well. You can also upload your own logo instead of using the preset ones, which is great for your business or brand. Background size is where you would change and alter where the background image sets. Logo size, as I was saying, we can change that around. So we can make the logo any size we want, and then we can also use the horizontal and vertical positioning to change where the logo is on the image, which is great for customizing your QR code. You can rotate it, and then last we have these little stickers down here that you can create. And that will just add something on the image when you download it. Those are all editable by what you type here or the colors that you set. Kind of neat. And then once we're done, we just simply click on the next button. It's saving the information now. And then here we're going to set the name that will show up in our list of stuff. And right here, you can change the URL that your QR links to. Now it's saying if you've already printed and put out QR code, you don't want to change this now because all those previous ones will stop working. But we can go ahead and change it to this, and we'll go test one. Select which domain you want. We'll just stay on FunQRS. And then now you can download your QR code or close and go to here, and you can download it from here whenever you want. Check on stats. This will show you when it's been scanned, by whom, and all of that. So dive in, enjoy, and have fun.